surviving in Alabama. Today, we're gonna see if we can actually get my wife's first deer. So come along for the ride and we'll see if we can get it done. Today's the second day of rifle season and we brought the old boomstick out. So we're gonna see if we can get her done.
It's not prime time yet.
We have been in the stand less than 2 minutes. Like less than 2 minutes. So she told me she was bringing hamburgers, hot dogs, Coke, and a bunch of other stuff. And I was like, well, we're in a box stand. Could be a little louder. Not that we need to, but we can. And it'd be okay because we're in these rednecks.
And I gotta have my snacks. Otherwise I get angry.
She's the snack queen. So, what I didn't know is that it was all gummies. Every single piece.
I got a hot dog. I got hamburgers, 2 of them. I got french fries. But I think it's got like sour stuff, not salt, so I probably won't eat those. And a pizza. And then I have real chicken wings right here.
She's brought enough food for 10 hours of hunting.
What if we got stuck out here, you know? Like, what if the apocalypse happened, like, while we're in the deer stand? We'd at least survive a week.
We're literally only going to be in the stand like 3 hours tops.
You love me.
It's going to be a long hunt.
You wanted me to go.
But we got to get her first deer. So let's sit and wait, see what happens. We ate right before we came here.
Oh, yeah, we did. I gotta sneeze. This is the worst part of hunting, is when my sneezes have to be quiet. Okay. My sneezes sound like a freight train hit somebody.
We bought 5 deer coming in here, just a couple dozen yearlings. So, hopefully we'll have something come out soon. And that's a good thing we're in the box stand with the windows shut. So,
I do know. I'm not dumb. I do know the only reason I can do this is because I'm in a box stand. You wouldn't let me otherwise.
and not just any box stand, one of these nicer ones. If we were not in a redneck, this would not be happening either.
It's hunting and luxury. It's the only type of hunting that I do.
That's not true.
Okay, yeah, that is not true. If you would let me, it would be the only type I would do. But Mary didn't do it, so. Stop it, Megan.
They spicy.
Colson said they were hot, but they're not hot yet.
Should have brought some milk. That's a good buck. He's too far. snacking when we're looking at bucks coming in. Snack number 3.
Pocky sticks, they're a necessity.
She doesn't know what a necessity is.
You're interrupting me.
Interrupting cow moo.
Oh, what a dad joke. Anyway, your local Dollar General sells them.
She would know.
You have made louder noises.
She just said that I could not spot a deer through the trees. There's 2 deer through the trees.
Okay, yes, there's 2 deer, but I'm shocked that they didn't just run the crap away because the man that's been yelling at me for being too loud has made noises 10 times louder than any noise I've made in the last 3 minutes.
I was getting my binoculars out of the bag and I accidentally dropped my flashlight.
I don't see them anymore. I think they're like behind the tree. I think they are. They're walking farther away. I still don't understand how you saw that with a naked eye though. Oh, look, bird.
ADHD at its finest.
It's what makes me who I am. Embrace it. And you say you don't have ADHD, but you definitely have ADHD.
I think that's a small buck.
I want a big buck. I could have shot that doe in the last deer stand.
Alright, we gotta stop moving around or something. He's kind of weary. Oh, there's another deer back off our back left. So we've got about 10 deer in the field right now. Does and yearlings. We've seen 2 bucks. One was a really young buck, spike or so, and then the other one was a looked like being a 3-year-old 8-point or so. Come through first. So we've got about 10 deer on the field right now, or close to it, and we're waiting on a mature buck as her first one. Property rules, bucks have to be 4.5 or older for us to harvest them. So hopefully a mature one will come out. It's the first day that anybody's been on the property. It's the second day of rifle season, so we're gonna wait, give it a little time, and see what happens. If not, we'll let her wax a nanny. But I think we're gonna kill a deer today regardless. And she's already getting a little jittery with all the deer out here, so we're gonna keep sitting and see what happens.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Do you see it? Can you see it, Megan? I got him. You hit him. You hit him. You hit him. You hit him. You sure I got him?
You hit him. He's hit. He's hit.
Okay, now what?
Now we wait.
For what?
We got to wait and make sure he's dead. He ran off.
Yeah, I know, but what if he's not out there? What if he ran off?
Stop. We're gonna find him. It looked like you hit him in the shoulder. Alright guys. It's about 4:40. We just had looks to be a mature buck come out. He's got a messed up rack on him, so but it looks like she just got a mature buck for her first buck, so we're gonna give him another 30 minutes or so. And then we're gonna go look for him. He ran in, but he looked to be hit real hard. So Lord willing, we're about to go get this deer. Wife's first one. You excited?
Yeah. I've been waiting 28 years for this.
It's a good day already, so let's just we're about to go make sure this deer's down. So we're gonna give it a minute and see if we can go find him. All right, guys, we just got down. We're gonna go see if we can find some blood and go track this thing. So it looked from the video, he looked hit pretty hard. So I'm hoping that he did not make it very far. So let's go see if we can find her first deer. She's so excited. She's like running.
I don't really remember where he was.
You see something?
Uh-huh. Are we sure he's dead?
Look at that. Look at that right
shot.
there.
Is that where I shot him?
Go hold him up.
Are we sure he's dead?
Let me see the light. Lay the rifle down in front of him. On him. Lay it across. There you go.
He did not run far at all.
Look at that thing.
He does have a weird rack, but he is a big one.
Congratulations. That is your first deer.
I'm so excited.
Alabama mature buck.
Surviving in Alabama.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's the first time I've shot a rifle was today.
Yeah, she literally took, what, 3 practice shots?
Mm-hmm.
And at 100 yards and did okay. And I thought it was good enough for this. And her shot today was about 100 yards. And she squared him right up, perfect shot. He didn't run 40 yards, maybe. First deer. Unique buck. Can't ask for a better memory.
I'm so excited.
Cannot ask for anything better than this. Big old body on him. Got the Remington 783-270 with that Vortex scope. And just got the scope put on yesterday, sighted it in today, let her shoot a few times, come out here, put the hammer down on him. And he is just a unique buck. and I could not ask for anything better to pop out on our first hunt of the year together, but also her first deer. It's a memory I will never forget. Look at that. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Yeah, now the question is, I can barely lift 5 pounds, so.
Yeah, this deer's pushing 200, I would have to guess, because he is a big boy. So we're gonna see if we can get this deer drug out of here, and then we're gonna go get the buggy and see if we can get him up in it. We might have to call some help, so we'll see. All right, guys, we just finished cleaning that buck up. He's 179 pound, 7-point. He had a little broke spot on it, but golly, what a hunt. And so excited that this was her first deer. But not only that, got a mature buck, which does not happen very often in my experience. And I see a lot of hunters and deal with a lot of hunters because I do this for a living. So I'm super excited. We're going to get a skull mount of him, and we will continue on. Now that we got him cleaned up, and we're going to head back to the house. You ready for another adventure?
Yeah, bed.
Bed. I feel that. All right, guys. We will catch you on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate every one of you. And she does now too. And we look forward to the next adventure. God bless.